Hello, Jim from TechBuzz, a new product in. This is something a little different, and we have got something stuck to it there. So this is Gel Blaster Surge. So hopper will hold up to 800 gellets. Blaster mode, switch mode, and off, single, full auto, interchangeable coloured tips and fins for team play. Clean, eco-safe, leave zero mess. Selectable velocity, swappable barrels, adjust velocity from 100 to 175 FPS. Full auto, up to 10 shots per second. And USB-C fast charging. So that's pretty much what it has on the front of the box. Around to the back, a little bit more detail. So 10 gellets per second, standard barrel reduced velocity, pretty much the same time as the front, but the battery life is 4 hours of play, which is pretty good. So you've got your blaster mode, you've got your built-in lithium battery, USB-C fast charging, accessory rail, includes orange interchangeable reduced velocity barrel tool included, automated smart tips, interchangeable colour tip fins for team play. And again, your hopper is mentioned up here on top. So that's basically what it looks like on the pack. What we have, we do not have this, and we do not have this. So it's just a basic package. Would be nice to get them all to really test them out with these guys and all that. So we'll have to make up our own kind of rig and go from there. Up on the front, we'll tell you what's inside the box, which we just did. So this is for ages 9+. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so here is your gellets. Pretty cool looking little balls. Yeah. Here's your barrel changer. Here is your barrel. And that's the barrel in there, I think. So what you can do is then pop this guy in here and it will change it out. So you can screws out. So you pop in that one, then you can see the threads on the end. So that's pretty much how that works. Just make sure that's back in all the way. Right, we'll have a close look at that going in a second. You get some safety glasses. You get 10,000 gellets. We'll have a look at that now in a second. Your USB, and you get a nice sticker. And also you get your user guide here and how to use it, and again I'll show you all that kind of stuff there, what the buttons are for. And do not over tighten your barrel, interchangeable barrels, install hopper and blaster, fill your hopper and charge your blaster. So hydrate, they must be submerged in water for 2 hours to fully expand in size. So that's the other ones. Alright, so there is a big difference, because you're probably asking yourself, is there 10,000 gellets in here when you look at these here? Let's see. So there you go. Pretty cool feel of that. So that's what 10,000 gellets looks like in a bag, right? And we'll pop them to one side for now. And here is the main component itself. So you got your USB-C port on the bottom, you got a light, you got your controller here for different action. Right. We'll switch it across. In the middle. That must need to be loaded to get it working. That's a repeated fire. Single fire. And that just puts it into safety mode there. So what you'll do next is pop on this guy here. Alright, so I'm just gonna pop all that there. And there you go, you're set up and ready to go. No, we will not throw you in here in the little studio. So stay tuned after the break for more. Okay, so now we're going to test this. I'm about 8 feet away off a canvas here. First of all, so I'm going to fire some single shots. Here's the gun here. and you can see that the balls just burst. So we're going to put it on repeat fire and see if it does any difference. Not really, so that'll just show you strength wise what we're talking about. And what we're going to do next is pop up some paper and see if it'll go through that. Next up, sheet of paper, one shot. Take the lock off. Alright, again. And we're going to try to do that in a slow motion. So that's a few shots practicing with the sword in the day. So we're going to try it at night and see what it's like. See if we get some slow motion pictures or video again coming out of the gun itself. So here it is, it's night time. Going to try a single shot. You can see you've got your light still on the gun, which shows you power. And we're going to try a single shot first. Not such much of illumination. And that's what you're going to get. Alright, next up with a bit of light on, we have the gun here, so we're going to try a single shot again first, just to show you what you can expect. And multi-fire. The gun sounds really cool, by the way, so here we go. And that's really about it, what you can expect from day and night using the gun. Pretty cool, sounds cool. And do check out the slow-mo, it's really cool as well. So that's it for Gel Blaster. And here's a quick look at the gun overall again. And that's it, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.